Welcome back, people. We all know there are several rules that we have to follow in order to create a secure and unpredictable password. The password must not contain any personal information. The password must contain at least one number. The password must contain any special character. The password length must be greater than 8. So today we will create a password generator using Python. We will be using the secrets and string module to generate a strong and secure password like the ones that you generate with popular password managers. The string module is used to obtain all possible letters, digits, and special characters, while the secret module allow us to obtain cryptographically secured passwords. So let's jump into the solution. So we are creating a function and naming it create pw. Pw stands for password, and the length of the password must be 12. You can give any number here. The length of a secure password must be at least 8. So here I gave 12, which is greater than 8. So string.ascii letters gives us a sequence of all the characters from A to Z. And string.digits gives us the all the numbers from 1 to 0 to 9 in a sequence. And string.punctuation gives us a sequence of all the special characters. So we will name it as special, not alphabets. Now we are creating a variable, name it as alphabets, and alphabets variable contains a sequence of letters, digits, and special characters. And an empty string and name it pwd. So secrets.choice return a randomly chosen element from alphabet sequence, which is then joined to the empty string and is stored in pwd. In this if statement, we are checking if there are any special characters for character in password and some character in digits for character in password. So if both are true, then we are saying password is strong. I mean, we are changing password is strong variable to true. After which we will return the password. So we call create password here. So let's run the program. This is the password generated by the password generator. Let's run it again. You will get a new password with digits and special characters. Let's run it again. So every time you get a new password with digits and special characters in it. So the password is very strong. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.